Hello my friends, today we have a kit review slash group build. The group build is for the Meng Toon kits, hosted by Papa Dan and Colonel Rip. This is my entry. I'm going to do the German Panzerwagen or Panther. If you PzKpfw, I believe this one is. Everyone else is doing tanks, and there's planes and there's boats, so this is my entry. As I say, it's done by Meng. There is no actual scale because it's like a cartoon type kit. This one here is WWT007 for the kit number item. You only get one scheme. There's this side of the box, advertisement for their paints. So let's have a look what we get inside. Greeted with one bag, everything stuck inside. Like I say, it's not your typical kit. It's not a snap together, but known as press fit. So let's push this to one side. We have your decals, a couple of serial numbers. So you have your typical German cross, 308 for the side of the tank. We have rubber band racks, which are pretty okay. It's designed for having a bit of fun. Nothing perfect, but it's going to be okay. It's going to be cool. There's the upper hole. It's a small little cartoon tank, which is quite quirky in my opinion. It's going to be quite fun. Shouldn't require any cleanup anywhere. Like I say, it's a press fit anyway. There's a lower hole, and the suspension parts, your wheels are just attached to this. Quite simple. So this technically should just click into place. Yeah, but I don't want to push it in too much, just in case I've got something to go on the inside. We check that on the instructions. Your first sprue is your turret. Back of the tank, cupola, commander's cupola, storage boxes, gun manlet, and machine gun parts. This one here is your wheels, drive sprocket and idler, spare tracks, small wheels, your tools, exhaust system, and there's a small little gun. It is slide molded as well, which is a nice touch. So let's have a, you do get, I have got this small piece as well has come off. This looks like a light. Have a quick butchers of the instructions. It's a nice manual with a little cartoon tank on the front. If these go together pretty well, I wouldn't mind doing another one. It'd be interesting if they do it every year, like they do the group build with the aeroplanes, the eggplane group build. If they do this every year, it should be this. I don't see why not. It should be pretty cool. All the language in Japan. Sprue map. Obviously, it's only going to be 5 parts. Basic way of doing it: lower hole, putting the wheels on. Upper hole, tools, rubber tracks, small accessories, guns, spare tracks. More tools, the back of the tank, exhaust system, putting that on, turret, commander's cupola, and then the main gun, spare tracks, dropping the turret down, and then it's ready for paint. It's simple Dunkelgelb colour with the German Dunkelgelb green and Dunkelgelb reddish brown colour. So I use Dunkelgelb NATO green and NATO brown because I think they work pretty well. That's what I use. So yeah, I'm going to pretty much start this straight after this video. Should go together within 10-20 minutes. I should have this done in a day or two. Should go together quite quickly. But there's my entry for the Meng Toon kits. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.